What's up, guys? It's your boy Blaze Warrior back again with another video. This time we're gonna do another popping prank, but this time we're gonna go even harder. So what you're gonna need is, if you have leftover poppers, take them all and then grab them. Take them. Dump them. Unfortunately, guys, that's all for this video. So that's what you do. All you gotta do is, all you need is some poppers, somebody to scare, and a crap load of poppers, like I said. And you just throw them outside, and it's super loud. Okay, guys? Please like and subscribe. Thanks.